Okay, just a very quick update on the F100 project. Driving around last night and I realized that the brake lights are giving me some grief. Depending on how I position. See, I'm not activating a turn signal, I'm just moving the stalk like this. And it is flicker, you can see the reflection. It likes to kill that brake light. And then when I turn on the left turn signal, it kills my other brake light. See? I can alternate between my brake lights because my foot's on the pedal, and it should, if I put it in just the perfect spot, I can get both. And then right turn signal keeps both brake lights on. So I gotta fix that. It's the turn signal switch inside the steering column, so I gotta fix that.